A dirty bike chain doesn't just look bad, it silently grinds away your gears and can cost you a $150 cassette replacement. Here's how to clean and lube it properly in under 10 minutes. Step 1. Shift into the smallest rear cog to relax chain tension. Clip a chain scrubber tool around the links, fill it with citrus degreaser, and backpedal for 30 seconds to strip away built-up grime. Step 2. Scrub the rear cassette cogs and derail your pulley wheels with a stiff bristle brush. Grime packs in deep between the cogs and wears your drivetrain just as fast as a dirty chain does. Step 3. Wipe the chain with a clean, damp rag to remove leftover degreaser. Never blast it with a hose. High-pressure water forces grease out of the internal rollers. Dry every link fully before continuing. Step 4. Apply 1 drop of chain-specific lubricant to each roller while slowly backpedaling. Let it sit for 5 minutes so the oil soaks into the pins, not just the outer link plates. Pro tip: always wipe off excess lube with a dry rag afterward. A wet, dripping chain just collects more dirt and wears out faster than one with no lube at all. Got a favorite chain lube? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more everyday how-tos. Visit Sikho.ai.